Yeah, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I am back with a new hair video. And yes, I cannot believe it, but I'm gonna do it. I am finally going to cut long curtain bangs. Honestly, I've been wanting to do this since forever, since many years. I wanted to try out some nice curly fringe, but I never really had the guts to do it. But since I'm in Italy and we just went into another round of lockdown, I thought, who cares? Next person's gonna see me in a couple of months, so by then the hopefully not disaster will be resolved anyway. This is day 3 here, by the way. So in day 3 my curls are almost gone. Like, I just have a few curls down there and the rest has become quite wavy. So I think curly bangs could work out for me. I'm not gonna go too short though, so the look that I want to get is kind of like this. So this is how I imagine it to be. If it really is gonna be like that, we will see in the end. But without further ado, let's get started. Basically, first thing we need to do is we need to draw some sort of triangle. And for that, I will first try to make a good middle parting. Maybe like that is not too bad. For me, it was always quite difficult to understand like how far do I need to go back to draw the triangle, but I'm just gonna try and see how much hair will be in that triangle. And as some sort of reference point, I'm gonna use my eyebrow. So right now I'm just gonna say here maybe makes sense. And let me just see how much hair this is. Maybe it's enough, maybe it's too little. I don't know. Let's see how it is if I would take a little bit more here. Well, this is a very critical step, so you know, just take your time until you got the perfect triangle. Alright. Oh my god, I'm so nervous, you have no idea. Okay. Yes, I think this is a good triangle. Do you think this is a good triangle? This little hair needs to join us. Oh. Yes, now. It has joined the hair party. So, what we're going to do now is we're gonna follow the hair down, just lay it straight down onto your face and just see how short you want to cut it. Obviously, it makes sense to not go too short, but rather too long first, because you can always adjust. And also keep in mind you have curls. Well, if you have curls. So the hair will bounce back. The shorter your hair, the more bouncy they will. So make sure to first not cut it too short. My heart is bumping. Let's say 8 months, we'll be back at it. And everything's gonna be fine. Let's cut. Damn it, it's just here. Just cut it, just cut it. Just... Oh my god, I can't believe this. I just cut that much hair. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put it aside, this little thing, just in case. It's all good. I can already see that it's not even that bad. It's gonna look good, don't you guys think? Alright, let's get back to our middle parting, because now we need to adjust the angle a little bit of this curtain bang. So, because you want to follow it like let it fall like a curtain, right? So
again, pick up the hair, I comb it parallel to the...
So this part we comb parallel to the side. With our hands we stay parallel to the hairline. Like this. And then we are gonna cut. I think the major part is done now, girls and guys. Let's just check if everything is more or less the same length. Looks good. The difference with my curtain bangs to the rest of my hair will be very big now. So we kind of want to, you know, smooth it out. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take in some more hair that goes up to my ears. Alright, so I actually feel like this is not one of the hardest parts because, you know, in the videos they always be like, hey, you know, and now you just go like da-da-da-da-da-da. But I kind of feel like this is the hardest part because you don't really follow a certain line. You just have to, you know, be quite careful in doing this. And we can always, you know, when they're dry and styled, we can still smooth it out a little bit. But I think I'm gonna shower now and show you how I will style my hair, and then we will see together how it turned out. Hey friends, so this is the final look. My hair is now, I would say, almost completely dry, and I must say I really like it. So I'm very happy that I've done it. I think this is a very nice fresh look, and it's also quite, you know, versatile. I can wear it like that, or even with the side parting. I think it looks kind of cute. Also what I like the most is actually putting my hair back like this so you can only see the fringe. I think it's really nice. And if you have a similar curl pattern like me and you were wondering if bangs would go well with your hair type, now you know how it could look like, and I think it looks good. So yeah, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. It was such a bumpy ride for me, but I'm very glad that I did it. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this look, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Alright, have a good day, bye!